Alright guys, as I was saying before, these are not coasters. These are probably glue sticks or glue, I don't know, stickers where the mosquitoes will be stuck onto. Let's see what else we got in this incredibly funny looking box. Alright. They do have instructions in there or some kind of auto magic. I don't know. And that looks pretty cool right there. Oh, it's supposed to do more than just remove your mosquitoes. It will get gnats, fruit flies, and moths, but not regular flies. Regular flies seem to be fine around them. Okay. Alright, so... If you turn into the fly, then you're still safe.
Likey